Well, hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Man, you look great in that shirt. That color just makes your eyes pop. I love it. All right, back to this. Hey, let's talk about ratios. This can be a great study guide, so let's get ready. Put your seatbelt on, grab a juice box, handful of trail mix, and let's go. So maybe work on these problems a little bit ahead of me, and then like press pause, work it out, and then press play, and let's see kind of how we did that together. So let's go. Let's see, number one here. Looks like we're doing a lot of stuff with unit rate. So 3 concert tickets cost $45. I'm going to build myself a ratio table because that sometimes helps me. And the two things I'm comparing looks like it's tickets and money. So I'm going to do tickets and money. And I know that 3 tickets cost $45. I know that because it tells me that. So I'm going to go ahead and find out how much one is. So $45 divided into 3 groups is going to be $15 a piece. That means 2 of them is going to be 30, and then I can keep going. So 4 of them is going to be 45 plus 15, so that's going to be 60. And then 5 of them is going to be 60 plus 15, which is 75. And that answers my first question. How much does 5 concert ticket cost? Well, $75. So I want to know 12 concert tickets. So I could do a couple different ways. I'm going to go up to 6 because 6 gets me to 12 nicely. So I'm going to add 15 more. It gets me up to 90. And then I am going to jump all the way to 12. I'm going to double this one, and then I'm going to double 90. So 90 double is, well, 9 doubled is 18. So 90 doubled is 180. So $180. Thank you, ratio table. That made that so much helpful. All right, so these ones, we got a bunch of unit rates. So unit rates is per one, and whatever you want one of, you put on the bottom. Very often when we're doing unit rates, we are doing division. So for instance, over here, we got eggs and we got money. So, and I want to know how much it costs per egg. So that means the egg's going to be on the bottom of my ratio and money is going to be on the top. Now these ratio, this little line here, even though it looks like just a typical ratio line or a fraction line, it means division. So I have $5.94 divided by 18 because $5.94 is for 18 of them, but I want it for 1. So I got to take that $5.94 and divide it into 18 groups. So if I divide those out, I'm going to find out that each one is 33 cents. I'm going to do the next one. Cost per pound. So I'm putting pound on the bottom, and then I have money on the top. So 375 divided by 5. 375 divided by 5 is 75 cents per pound. Per roll, so I'm going to put rolls on the bottom, and then looks like I got money, so I'm going to have money on the top. So 750 divided by 6. So it's $7.50 for 6 rolls. I want to know for 1 roll, so I'm going to divide that out. And I find out it's $1.25 per roll. Per orange. Orange is going on the bottom. Money on top. So it is $6.75 divided by 15 oranges. If I divide that out, it is 45 cents. Wow, that's a terrible 5, but there we go. Oh, looks so good. All right, what if I say unit rate? Division showing up with unit rate. Let's move along. Number 3. Andre rides bicycle 5 miles in 7 hours. How long will it take him? Ooh, hello, ratio table. Let's do that. So it looks like I've got miles and I've got hours. So let's do Andre first. He goes 5 miles in 1.7 hours, and I need to go 15 miles. Oh, look at that. I just multiply. 5 times 3 is going to give 15. So 1.7 times 3, I'm going to ratio that up the same amount. I should get 5.1. Looks like it's going to be hours. Let's try that into one. Ratio table, looks like I've got miles and hours again. Notice I'm always trying to write it down. I'm getting these labels first so I can keep track of the order that I'm doing them in. So that's going to be 5 miles in 1.9 hours, and I'm trying to find for 15. So again, I can do the same thing. Times 3, times 3, 1.9 times 3 is going to be 5.7 hours. Easy peasy. But the key for all this one, Ladies and gentlemen, folks, boys and girls, cats and pandas, keep in mind, whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. That keeps the ratio dandy. Speaking of dandy, let's talk about number 4. A sailfish can swim. I'm not sure what a sailfish is, so you're welcome to like pause this video and look it up. Maybe Google sailfish, see if it looks good on a sandwich or just to have in a fish tank. Anyway, I digress. Can swim 90 meters in 3 seconds. Oh, that's right here. How far can it fit? 1 second. Okay, we found the unit rate. Actually, that's what we're looking for. So let's do that. So 3, 2, 1 second. So 90, I'm going to break into 3 groups because I have got 3 groups to get all the way up to 3. It's not going to help me to put 90 in half because that's going to put me at like 1.5. So I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to break 90 into groups. So that's going to be 30, 60, 90. And the question is per 1. So that's right here. So what is the speed? The speed to answer the question, because I did my pretty math. I need to be able to make sure I'm answering the question. It says 30 meters per second. Ding, ding, ding. Way to go, fishy. Number 5, a grocery store has a sale on peaches. 5 pounds of peaches are being sold. So look, I have pounds and money again. I'm going to do my ratio table. You can use a double number line too. That also is very helpful in these kind of things. So I'm going to do peaches and money. So it looks like I know 5 pounds for, I'm going to put a 5 here. I'm leaving room for unit rate in case I need it. But 5 for 10.95. You know, I am going to do unit rate. That's super helpful. So for this one, I'm going to take 10.95 and I'm going to divide it by 5 because that's for 5 of them. If I divide this, I'm going to get how many for 1? 10.95 divided by 5 is $2.19. I'm not sure if that's a lot for a peach. Oh, it's a pound of peaches. Oh, that makes more sense. Let's continue. So let's see what we got going on here. So 5, and then if I want to go to 10, I can double this. I can double this. So 10.95 doubled is $21.90. Why did I do that? Because really the question is asking for 11. So that means I can use this 10 and this 1 and I can add them together. That's one way to do it. So 21.90 plus 2.19 is 24.09. If you want to do something a little different, like for instance, if you want to just jump from the unit rate because that helps us, you could do 1 pound of peaches times 11, because 1 times 11 will get you 24.09. A couple different ways to do this. Oh, good job. Did we answer all the questions? Let me check. So 1 pound of peaches. Oh, there's 1 pound of peaches. 11 pounds of peaches. 11 pounds of peaches. Go us. We're amazing. Let's keep going. Number 6. Which one is a better deal? You know what's going to help us find this? Yes, unit rate. Good guess. So I've got meals and I've got money. So I'm going to do monies per meal. So 20, oh, that's not a 20. 26.40 divided by 4. So I'm going to get per 1 on that one. I'm going to set this other one up too. So meals. So 30.90 for 6 meals, and I want per 1. So if I just do some division here, this guy right here, if I do $26.40 divided by 4, I'm going to get per 1, which is $6.60. For this one right here, I'm going to take $30.90 and divide it by 6. And if I do that, I get $5.15. So the question is which one is a better deal? This one is. We're so good. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. If you need to take a break, go get a drink of water. Go chase your puppy. Something like that. Go pet the neighbor's cat. But let's get back into this. Number 7. A shopper needs... Oh, there's so many words here. What's going on? Okay, needs 12 rolls of paper towels. Okay. The store sells 2 different... Okay. They sell 2 packs. Okay, we're just trying to find a better deal. I think this first one's not even helpful. 2 packs for this money. 6 packs for... Oh, there we go. All right. Which one's a better buy? Looks like we got money going on, and we've got paper towel rolls. Let's go unit rate again. So $2.66 for 2 rolls, and I want for 1. $7.74 for 6, and I want 1. There we go. It's all built. It's ready to go. We are set. Let's solve this. So this one here is I'm going to take $2.66. I'm going to divide it by 2, and I get $1.33. Just cutting it in half. For this spot right here, I'm taking $7.74, and that's for 6 rolls. So I got to divide it by 6, and that gets me $1.29. So the better deal is going to be this one right here, which is the 6-pack deal. Huh. Go shopping. Way to go. Whoa, number 8. All right, we got some pretty funky pictures here. What are we doing? We painting? Oh, we are painting. All right, so we got a batch. We got some blue paint and yellow paint. Do all the ones that match. Let's talk about this. The ratio of yellow to blue is 3 to 1. Okay, yellow to blue is 3 to 1. No, that is not true. It's 1 to 3. Okay, I'm watching the order on this one. Okay, B. Yellow to blue. Okay, every quart. So 1 quart. So this is saying yellow, 1 yellow to 3 blue. Is that true? That is true. Yay. Notice I'm trying some strategies so I can keep track. I'm watching the order and I'm watching the numbers. Let's check the next one because it says check all that applies. So that means there's probably more than one. Next one, ratio of quarts. So blue, and they're saying so 6 blue. Wait, that's not a 6. 6 blue to 2 yellow. Is that true? It is. 6 blue, 2 yellow. Yes. All right, we got this. Next one. For every 3 blue, so 3 blue, 2 yellow. Is that true? 3 blue, 2, that'd be only 1 yellow. So this is not true. Next one. The ratio of yellow to blue, 2 to 6. So yellow is the first one, blue is the second one. So 2 yellow to 6 blue. Is that true? 2 yellow to 6 blue. That is true. Yay! Nice. Doing so good. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, awesome. Next one. All right, in a recipe, garlic. Okay, ooh, what are we making? Pesto. We're making pesto. All right, I want to keep track of this. So garlic to basil. So garlic to basil. Write this down, folks. Don't skip that important step. Is 5 to 2. Because it helps me keep track of what in the world is going on. So mixture of this. So select all that apply. Pay attention to that. It's probably more than one of them. Okay, is 5 to 2 equal to 10 to 1? If I double this, nope, doesn't work. Is 5 to 2 equal to 10 to 4? If I double 5, I get 10. If I get double 2, I get 4. This one totally works. Is 5 to 2 equal to 15 to 6? If I triple 5, I get 15. If I triple 2, I get 6. This one totally works. Let's try this one. 5 to 2 equals 20 to 6. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. Is 2 times 4 6? No, 2 times 4 is 8, not 6. It does not work. Nope, does not work. Oh my goodness, you're doing so great. Hang in there. Oh goodness, are all the pairs of ratios equivalent? Show proof. All right, so I'm really just going to be checking about multiplication. So let's check my first number. 5 to 15 is times 3. So is 6 times 3 18? It sure is by times 3. Let's try this next one. Oh, 20 is going down to 5, so that's more like division. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So is 4, not times, is 4 divided by 4 1? It is. Okay. Next one. How do I get to 28? Oh, let's see. Well, I know 5 times 3 is 15, but 7 times 3 is not 28, so that does not work. This one, 3 to, oh my goodness, that's such a huge number. Let's focus on the 6. So 3 times 2 is 6, and I got these 3 zeros. So it's like 2,000. So let me try this one. So 8 times 2 is 16, and it's got 3 zeros. This one worked. Yay! Now, let me look at this one. 8 to 18 is like times, it's like over 2, because 2 is 16, so it's over 2, but already I can tell that one's going down, so that one does not work. All right, whatever you do 1, you got to do the other one. Speaking of that, let's talk about a fruit bowl. All right, here's some information. Got some limes, we got some peaches, we got some mangoes. All right, for every 5, okay, it looks like peaches, there are 2 mangoes. Okay. The ratio, okay, what's 10 to 2? 10 is, let's say I'm gonna use change colors. 10 is gonna be limes, which is the first number, and 2 is the second number, which is mangoes. All right, let's change colors again. Let's go 5 to 10. So 5 is peaches, and 10 is limes. Good. For 1 mango, there are how many limes? Okay, so mango to limes is, mangoes is 2, limes is 10, and they're saying there's 1 mango. All right, divided by 2, divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So it should be 5 limes. Did we do it? 1 more, yay. Oh, is that 1 more? Oh, we got 2 more. This is exciting. Oh, I love this. So good. So much math going on. I love it. 1 batch of a shade of purple paint has 3 cups of blue paint on a double number line. Okay, I need batch number 5. Oh, this is batch number 0. Now keep in mind, some students will call this batch number 1, and that's a big no. That's batch 0. So here's batch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's batch 5. And what's the question? Blue and red paint. There it is. Blue needs 15, and red needs 20. That was easy. Nice. Complete the double number line, so let me pay attention to what's going on here. It looks like it's plus 3, so plus 3 more, which is 6. And very often, because students see that this is doubled, they want to double this again and say it's 12, but that's a big NO. Don't do that. We are increasing by batches. So if this is batch 1, batch 2 is plus 6 more. Batch 3 is plus 6 more. So for this one, we're talking not 12, but we're talking about moving up 9. Batch number 4 is moving up 12. Let's talk about eggs. Batch 1 has 2, so batch 2 is doubled. Batch 3 is tripled, but it's 2 more eggs. And then we've got, okay, let's answer the question. Batch 3, that's right here. So what's the question asking? The flour is 9. Yes, 9 cups. Gotta remember on my labels. And then batch 5. We don't have batch 5, but I can find batch 5. It's right here. 12, that's gonna be 15. 8, 9, 10. Yay. So what does it want? It wants flour. So 15 cups. Sweet, did we do it? Yay, and I think our answers are even right. Way to go, us. Excellent, we'll keep studying. Make sure you look over what you need to. Yeah, you got it.